In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Twilio number to Gohighlevel in 2026, step by step. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're in the correct workspace before making any changes. This is important because Twilio can be connected at the sub-account level. So you'll want to confirm you're setting it up in the right place from the beginning. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find the main navigation menu for all of your account tools and settings. From there, click on App Marketplace. This is where Gohighlevel allows you to browse and install third-party integrations, including Twilio. After the App Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in Twilio. This will help you quickly filter the available apps so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. When the results appear, select the Twilio app that mentions voice, SMS, and developer tools. That's the correct integration you'll want to use for connecting your number. Next, click on Install. This will begin the setup process inside Gohighlevel. At this point, the platform will ask where you want to install the integration. Choose Subaccount. This step matters because it determines where the Twilio connection will actually be applied. So make sure you're selecting the option that matches the account you want to use for calls and messaging. Once you've selected Subaccount, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be taken to a screen where you can review the available locations. Here, check the locations you want Twilio to be connected to. Take a moment to verify your selection carefully, especially if you manage multiple accounts or client workspaces, since choosing the wrong location can create confusion later. After that, scroll all the way down the page until you find the option labeled Allow and Install. When you see it, click it to complete the installation. This final approval gives Gohighlevel permission to connect with Twilio for the selected location. And that's it. Once the integration is installed, your Twilio connection should be linked to the chosen sub-account inside Gohighlevel. If anything doesn't seem to update right away, give the page a quick refresh and double check that you installed it under the correct location. Following these steps carefully will help make sure your Twilio number is connected properly and ready to use inside Gohighlevel.